Welcome back, Getaway Nation. Full-time RV life offers endless opportunities, from boondocking in remote wilderness to relaxing at RV resorts or exploring majestic mountains and scenic beaches. The adventures are limitless. In this week's video, we take you behind the scenes of our everyday work camping RV life. If you ever wondered what it's really like to work camp at Mesa Regal RV Resort, this episode's for you. Whether you're considering work camping yourself or just curious about the lifestyle, we share insights, experiences, and tips you won't want to miss. RV life is about more than just breakdowns and upgrades. It's about embracing every adventure, finding joy in the unexpected, and making every moment count. Join us for a real-world glimpse into RV life on the road. We are Chris, Katrina, and Tucker, and this is our Everyday Getaway.
Okay, buddy. You hold down the fort. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay. I see you're going to leave me. I'll be here all by myself. Gotta leave him here. He'll be fine. It's only for 4 hours. Wow. Good morning, Getaway Nation. Wanted to share with you our daily routine, what we go through. For me, it's 4 days a week. For Katrina, it's 5 days a week. For our work camping, how we get up in the morning, we get ready, things that we do, kind of give you a behind the scenes. We had a few subscribers reach out and ask us. So we'll share that with you just to let you know. And, maybe you guys might be interested in, for those of you looking to work camp, Mesa Regal RV Resort might be an option for you. So we're going over the routine here in the morning for our work camping. Maybe you can give us some insight on your routine when you get up in the morning.
I get up at 6 on the weekdays so that I can have coffee, chat with Chris a little bit before I take the Jeep over, and I get in at like 7:05. Most people get there around 8. A couple of us get in a little early. And the reason why I do that is because we lost so many hours. I'm trying to make up for hours that I missed.
So you're working almost a full day. Well, you are working a full day.
I'm working 8 hours now a day. So last week I worked 40 hours. This week and next week are our last 2 weeks, and I'll work 40 hours each week. It's not really that I want to work 40 hours.
5 days a week.
5 days a week. It's just that, well,
we'll talk about
8
that.
Hours, 40 hours. It's so terribly expensive here. I personally would not have stayed at this resort if I knew it was this. Okay, no. I personally probably just wouldn't have picked this resort, but now that we're here, and we made the choice to work camp, then I'm going to work camp so that we did what we said we're going to, is try to pay for our spot.
I'll roll out here in about 45 minutes, but first I'll take Tucker for a walk, and then I'll finish my coffee, and I'll end up walking over to work.
Okay.
I enjoy walking.
Chili dudes. See you later, Gator. Don't want to forget.
All right. You got your name badge?
I have my green shirt on today because it's St. Patrick's Day.
All right. Bye. See you at work. Have a good day at work. Have a good day at the office, sweetheart. See you.
Okay, goodbye.
Every morning before I leave to go to work, I'll take Tucker for a walk. All right, buddy, come on over here. Let's get you set up. All right, come on. All right. I'll take him out here. Usually his morning walk is a quick walk. When I get back around lunch, I'll take him for a nice long walk. What do you say, buddy? You ready for breakfast? You ready to eat? There's Tucker with his collection of tennis balls. I'll go ahead and get him something to eat. And someone is a happy dog. Oh, yes, feed me. I'm hungry. Oh boy, look at this, yum, yum, yum. So I still have a few minutes to kind of finish up my morning coffee and just chill out and relax. Get my mind wrapped around the fact that I gotta go to work, So I am getting ready to roll out in the morning. So what I do is I like to walk to work. Now I know in one of our past videos I showed you us riding to work on our e-bikes, but most mornings here the weather's been fantastic. It's beautiful. So I don't mind walking to work. Katrina leaves earlier than I do, so she drives the Jeep, and it's about a 13-minute walk. Morning. I cut through the pool area to get to work. There's not a lot of people out this morning. Good morning. So I thought I'd share some behind the scenes of a typical day for us. I worked on the outside, loading and unloading trucks. Katrina works on the inside. The work here in the decor department is not that difficult, and everyone we work with is fantastic. If you're looking for a work camping job, this might be something that suits you. You figure 4 days a week, 8 to 12. There are other departments here that you could work at, but all in all, it's fairly easy. It's nothing difficult, and the people, once again, the people are great. All right, so one of the things I have to do is I have to check in. So it's a face recognition. I gotta take my hat off. Sometimes it works, or sometimes it takes a few times for it to work. So I tap in. I have to put my face here. So I have to try again. That didn't work. Try again. I'm having no luck.
I've already got SIP here. I got full pharmacy and a whole medical facility in there.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Not a whole lot's happening today, so we're gonna go home. We do have VDO. We have to take 2 trucks out there, one for to deliver all of the golf, but we're gonna leave that truck there.
Okay, so it did not recognize me for that happens from time to time. So I signed in on a piece of paper. So now we'll just go out here and do some stuff. How you doing this morning, KB?
Good. I see you finally made it to work today.
Oh, behave. So Cal-Am has these containers in a storage area, and they store different supplies and products in these containers. So we'll come over to the container to load up some of the material that will eventually go to one of the resorts at an event one of the resorts is having. Okay, so this truck is loaded up. Usually what happens is once a week, they make a trip out to Yuma. Yuma's, I think it's about 2-3 hour drive one way. And they have 2 resorts out there. The rest of the resorts that Cal-Am has are fairly close by. So that's all loaded up to go out to the resorts in Yuma. And they'll do that once a week. I have not been on that trip. That's usually a longer day. You're starting at 6:30 in the morning, I think 6:30 in the morning, and you get back anywhere between 3-4:30 in the afternoon. So it's a longer day. It's a chance for you to get more hours. We want to show you what Katrina does. Now, Katrina works inside over at the desk inside, or the table. And not all of the female staff work inside. Some of them work outside, pulling the orders, getting them ready for an upcoming event. I'll let Katrina explain because she could do a better job.
So pretty much what I do when I get here in the morning, I get here a little earlier than a lot of the folks. I come out here into the warehouse. I take a couple of these boxes, 1, 2, 3, depending on the weight, inside, open them up, go through them, and I'll kind of show you what that process
Now,
is.
all these boxes are here because they've come back from an event and they need to be inspected. That's what Katrina's doing. She's inspecting the boxes.
Right, Chris is right. So what happens is the different resorts will call in or email in what they need for a specific party or event. This happened to be from St. Patrick's Day. So after they use them, the guys go pick them back up. They bring them in here. Then we grab the boxes, take them inside, and go through them.
All right, let's go back inside.
Okay. Yeah. So this guy here, so I'll show you the different labels in here. This one shows the last time it was inspected. And then when we get it back here, I'll go through here, and when it's good to go, I'll cross this out and I'll put today's date on it. Okay, now this one is in sad shape.
That's considered sad shape.
That's sad shape.
Okay.
I mean, it's literally in pieces. And here's the container. And interesting. Okay, so here we go.
So I'm not going to record the whole process, but you get the gist of it. Katrina will fix it, make it
I
presentable.
will fix it. It will make it look like it was brand new. And then I'm going to take that. I'm going to put it back in the box, fold it back up, and then I'm going to tape it up. And like I said, I'm going to put my initials on here and sign with the new date. And then I take this
Go
sign
ahead.
here with the new date right here.
Uh-huh.
And then I will take this, and depending where it goes, so if it's staying here in the warehouse, it goes on the right side as I come out. If it goes into one of the containers, and there are a lot of containers they use for different things, it'll go on this side of the warehouse. And then the guys come in, and the girls, they come in, they take them, and they put them out, and they're ready for the next event.
And that's pretty much what you do all day.
It is.
And
You know-
are you enjoying it? Do you
Yeah, I
enjoy
am.
it?
You know what I get to do today?
What do you get to do?
Lollipop, lollipop.
Oh, okay. All
lollipop.
right. You got to inspect every one of those?
Well, these have to be taken apart because a real lollipop doesn't have a big piece of fabric on the back, and it should have all been brought down and look like a real lollipop. So I'll take these apart today, redo them, and then they'll be ready for the next party that uses lollipops.
There. Okay.
Okay?
Once they put the boxes over here, then if I happen to be in the warehouse working and I'm looking for something to do, I could come and grab these boxes and put them where they belong. And I'll show you real quick. It's very simple. There is a number here, GL32. So you go to the corresponding shelf that is numbered accordingly from A all the way through, I don't know, Q or S or whatever. And you would come over to the area looking. The areas are marked, so this would be GE2, HE3. So I would look for GL. As you can see, there's GL 13, 11 up top, and I would look for GL 32, which is right here. You can see it's right there, and that's where I would put the centerpiece or the corresponding bend or whatever it may be. That gives you some insight onto what Katrina does. Over in this area over here, there's a area where the crew washes linen that's being used or that's been used, and they get it cleaned and pressed and ready to go out for another event. So gotta show you what Katrina does, you know, and she loves it. She enjoys it. I'm rolling.
I'm staying.
Is there anything I can say to make your job easier?
You'll have dinner ready when I get home.
I don't think we have anything for dinner.
Darn.
All right, I'll see you.
Bye.
See you when you get back.
Guess that's a no.
Yeah, that's a no. Okay, guys, we'll see you. See you in the morning. Take care. So as you can see, most of the folks here leave, check out at 12 o'clock. Pretty simple. I'll walk back over to the RV and I'll take Tucker for a walk, have some lunch, get ready to do some editing, and wait for Katrina to get home. Oh, there he is. Hey, buddy. Hey, no, there's my shoe. Let me jump in here. Hey, buddy. Can I have my shoe back? Oh, you can hold on to it. Yeah, I'll let you hold on to it. You ready? Did you miss me? Of course I missed you. What do you think? I'm a dog. You were gone forever. Please don't do that to me again. That's kind of a overview of what we do every day. Now, I didn't go out today on the road to make any deliveries. There was only one delivery that went out. Usually they'll send 2 guys out for that delivery. Tomorrow, I think there's 3 or 4 deliveries going out, so just about everybody will get out. And I think that's one of the things you want to do is you want to get out. It speeds up the day. And usually if you're not running to Yuma, most of the places you can get there and back by 12 o'clock. Some of the places are literally right next door. And every now and then, they'll make a delivery right here to Mesa Regal. So let me take my buddy Tucker for a walk, and we'll hang tight, do some work, and wait for Katrina to get back, and maybe she can give a little bit of an overview of her day and, you know, why she's working. She kind of touched on that a little bit, but maybe we'll get her to elaborate a little bit more. But I got you, buddy. I know he's waiting for me. Let's get him out there for a walk.